Hello everyone. If you want to create long-term relationship with your prospect, with your buyer, with your clients, this is what you must do. So this is what I do when I have the intention of creating long-term relationship with my buyer. I don't sell. Okay? I don't sell anything to them. All I am very interested in is what problems are they having. How can I help them to solve their problems? If they have problems, if they don't have the information about certain subject, and I have the information, I'll provide to them for free. If they require certain insights to make certain decision, I will provide to them for free. I don't sell. But due to that, I kind of create an emotional bank. Okay, if you have not heard of the emotional bank, I read about it in the 7 Habits of Successful People. Okay, the emotional banking. Okay, the emotional banking system. So I create an emotional bank. Now, because I give it for free, this buyer, okay, all these buyers who receive favors from me, now they owe me something. But also I have created an opportunity to get in touch with them. I've also created an opportunity to connect with them. And so when they are ready to buy, when they are ready to make a decision, they will come look for me. So this is how I create long-term relationship. And sometimes when I connect with them, sometimes I get in touch with them, it is just to ask them, how are they? I have no intention to say, would you want to buy my service? Would you want to engage us? I've never had the intention of doing that. So by having said that, doesn't mean that I don't ask the closing question. I will ask the closing question when I know they are ready to purchase something from me. So this is a quick tip for you. Never sell to the people whom you want to create long-term relationship. Provide value. They will remember you. They will come find you when they are ready. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye bye. See you the next time.